If you want to enable step count on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your health application, press Start, press All, press Next. Now press Continue, press Allow. Now you have to choose what you want to focus on. I'll choose on General Health. Press Next, press Start, press Agree, and basically that's it. Now if we're gonna press on this widget, we can see our step count, our active time, and our active calories. So our phone has automatically started to detect it. If you want to add up a widget on your home screen, hold your finger on the empty space, choose widgets. Now we gotta find our widget, health widget. So choose any, press add, and there it is. And here you'll also see your step count. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.